I am Spinasonia M. Ikban, a dedicated special education teacher with over 8 years of experience. I am a graduate of Bachelor in Elementary Education and earned 36 units in Masteral, major in Special Education. I am working primarily with students on the autism spectrum ranging in age from 5 to 15. I work in self-contained settings, focusing on individualized instruction in basic subjects, including English, mathematics, science, PE, and the arts that is aligned in their IEP goals. I also include social skills development and behavioral support. I also teach in an inclusive setting in my first 2 years of teaching with 37 regular learners and three different disabilities. One is a visually impaired learner and two an intellectual disability. Currently, I am an ALS-NED teacher. I am handling children with special need in transition program. I am teaching them independent living skills and vocational skills like cooking, baking, gardening, food preservation, and housekeeping. I am also a mobile teacher for out of school youth and students with special needs who cannot come to school because of lack of transportation expenses in a specific barangay or community. I am also an ICT coordinator in our school. My task is to collect data from every teacher and consolidate it before submitting it to the principal and the supervisor office. I am also a coach in para games for 8 years, competing at the provincial and regional levels. I coach sports like goalball, athletics, and mboshe. I am now looking for a new opportunity where I can continue to grow as an educator and contribute to a collaborative team. I want to go out in the box. I want to explore, learn the culture of other countries for my career development and growth professionally and make a meaningful impact on students' lives. Thank you.